The Hyd-Mech DM-1318P is a semi-automatic double-miter bandsaw with a 1 1/4 inch blade and 5.5 horsepower variable frequency direct blade drive. The DM-1318P has a 13-inch high by 17 3/4 inch wide capacity at 90 degrees. The DM-1318P features a heavy-duty cast iron head for less vibration and longer blade life. It has a gravity head feed with automatic hydraulic head lifting in semi-automatic mode. A wide range of material from solid bars to small structurals can be cut with the DM-1318P. Its easy swing cast iron head can miter up to 30 degrees left and right. Select your angle with the easy-to-read angle scale and confirm its accuracy with the digital angle display. The DM-1318P features a rotating table with cut line, allowing the blade to pass through the material to the table for improved blade life. It features a quick-release cast iron vise on linear ways to allow for easier setup times between jobs or cuts. The saw's 5.5 horsepower VFD True Direct drive, the motor and gearbox are bolted together. This results in better transfer of power between the two moving parts. Other benefits include lower maintenance costs, better torque, and less vibration, resulting in better blade life. The DM-1318P features mechanical band tensioning with digital readout. It has an easy-to-use swing-away semi-automatic control. Equipped with a 21-gallon capacity coolant tank, the coolant can be applied to the blade guides, reassuring the saw blade stays cool during the cutting process. It increases saw band life and productivity. The adjustable guide arm allows for easy setup when changing material widths. The DM-1318P saw guides are preset at the factory. This eliminates the need for the operator to constantly adjust the saw guides during blade changes. Band door interlocks provide an additional layer of safety by preventing the band drive from starting during blade changes. A replaceable blade brush helps ensure that the gullets of the saw blade are cleaned out, helping prevent chip buildup in the blade. Variable vise pressure allows for adjustment of the clamping pressure on the vices, ideal for cutting thin wall tubing and other light material applications in which a high vise pressure may deform the material. A laser light assists the operator by displaying a thin line across the material where the saw band will cut. A work light to illuminate the cutting surface is optional. Find out more today at HYDMECH.com or call 877-276-SAWS.